Look out Ethereum, the future is futures. Hey guys, thanks for watching G4B TV. To stay up to date with the latest on cryptocurrency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Twitter at G4B_TV. The CBOE, the innovative group behind the United States' first Bitcoin futures, has announced that Ethereum futures are coming soon and may arrive in stores before the end of this year. In fact, according to Business Insider, the exchange is simply awaiting further clarity from the CFTC. Now, if you remember, Bitcoin futures accelerated the run-up of the price of Bitcoin to nearly 20,000 before ultimately crashing to its current lows. So futures are a positive sign for the institutionalization of Ethereum, as well as a step in the right direction for an Ether ETF. But it's not all sunshine, as they also present a great danger, as futures allow investors an easy avenue to short Ether, which may apply even greater unwanted downward pressure on its price, as has been the case with Bitcoin. In the same fashion as Bitcoin futures, Ethereum futures prices will be based off the Winklevoss twins' GEMINI exchange. The development comes on the heels of prior SEC rulings that Ethereum, like Bitcoin, is not a security, and so is clear of stringent US securities laws. The natural progression from Bitcoin futures to Ethereum futures has been somewhat predictable, especially since the CBOE president made claims last year that the exchange plans to develop a family of cryptocurrency investment products in the future, including both Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash futures. And so far, the options exchange has been consistent with its roadmap, as the markets have also been waiting in suspense on the SEC's decision regarding their ETF. As for their main competitor, the CME, the CBOE seems to be going it alone this time, as CME CEO Terry Duffy has said that he has no plans for expanding on Bitcoin futures by venturing into Ethereum. The CME for the time being will simply wait out the current volatility in the market and observe the competition safely from the sidelines.
Do you expand the product portfolio across other futures in terms of other crypto assets?
We came out listing Bitcoin. It probably, in my 38 years in this industry, might have been the most controversial launch of a product I've ever seen in my entire life. And it got the most recognition of any other product. So that being said, before we get into any other cryptocurrencies in the future, we're going to see how this one goes. And I think 6 to 8 months as a listing of Bitcoin is not a good enough barometer to decide what your future should be for any other cryptocurrencies. So I will not, just put products up there to see where they're going to go. I will take a wait and see approach with Bitcoin for now.
Considering the underwhelming volume in Bitcoin futures trading, there doesn't seem to be too much incentive for them to rush into Ethereum. And despite the initial case for futures being good for Bitcoin because it would smooth out volatility, so far it's been a source of controversy, with many reasonably believing that due to relatively low liquidity on exchanges, futures have allowed large institutions to come in and manipulate the short-term price movements of the cryptocurrency. Now, over time, I have no doubt that futures will ultimately lead to more mature, transparent markets, but for the time being, Bitcoin and its investors alike are still recovering from the serious hangover caused by December's launch. That's all for now. Let me know where you see the price of Ethereum going from here. Could this lead to yet another crash in the price of Ether? Or could it be just the right timing needed to jumpstart the market? I look forward to seeing what you have to say, and with that, I'll see you next time.